Opay and Luna Review. Is legit or a scam? Opay and Luna Review. Is legit or a scam? If you're considering buying jewelry or accessories from Oak and Luna, you might be wondering whether this online store is trustworthy. Most people get this wrong by assuming that a polished website equals legitimacy. The surprising truth is that Oak and Luna appears to be a legitimate store, but there are a few things you should know before buying. You won't believe what happens next. Oak and Luna offers a wide variety of jewelry including rings, necklaces and bracelets with trendy designs at competitive prices. Their website is easy to navigate and they accept secure payment methods, including credit cards and PayPal. Customer reviews are generally positive, praising fast shipping and good quality for the price. However, there are occasional complaints about delays in shipping or limited stock for certain popular items. While these issues are not uncommon for small online shops, they are worth keeping in mind if you're planning to order for a special occasion. Additionally, always check their return policy. Oak and Luna does allow returns, but it's essential to understand the process and timelines. In conclusion, Oak and Luna is generally a legitimate online retailer with stylish jewelry at reasonable prices. While some delays can occur, the overall shopping experience appears reliable. For first-time buyers, it's smart to start with a smaller order to gauge delivery speed and product quality. This way, you can enjoy your purchase with confidence and avoid surprises.